Hey guys, so this is me in the future, and just letting you know in this video, we go from day 1 to day 2 because there was some heavy storms came through while I was filming, so had to clean it all up real fast, and yeah, let's just get into it and you'll see. What's up guys, welcome back. On today's agenda, we're going to tear out the interior, we're going to tear out the seats, the carpet, door panels, all that. Get that cleaned because it's pretty freaking gross, and yeah, let's get to it. Yummy. All right, remember that there was some bolts down here to take out the rear seats. Don't forget those because you'll pull on it for a couple minutes and then think, that's awful stuck, and you're like, oh yeah, there's bolts. Alright, so we're coming along. Got the back seats out, the top deck, the third tail light, some C-panels, but I want to show you this. Look how faded this is. Like, this was all black suede. Myself and my mother had done this probably 7 or 8 years ago, maybe more, I don't know. Either way, long time, and man, the sun really just fucks stuff up. Jeez. Wow. Okay, next up, we're going to try to get the carpet out. There's a false pedal, and that's got some, I think, a nut on it. I'll have to try to figure that out, but yeah. Alright, got the carpet out. I put the seat back in because, well, I needed to get it out of the garage. Brighten it up a little bit. But everything else is coming along. It's all pretty much out. The door panels on that side gotta come out. But now I'm gonna just scrub the crap out of this. Darken it back up. Filming in the middle of the day is not ideal. But yeah, now I'm just gonna scrub this for hours probably. Alright, it's coming along. Got the pressure washer sprayed. Now we're just vacuuming up the water and the dirt from that's inside the carpet. And yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, that's about when the rain came. So let's get into day 2 and we'll keep cleaning. Alright, as you can tell, there's some junk and some like oils and some sticky stuff all in the crevices and things. Not sure how all that got in there, but we're gonna give it a good clean. I've taken out some of the brackets and things that hold the console in. I've been spraying them black and sanding off some of the surface rust just to keep it clean, you know. This shit smells like tobacco. Getting it pretty clean in here. I don't know what that was on the bottom of that seat. I thought for a moment that it looked and smelled like some type of like tobacco or chewing tobacco or something, because it just got like super brown and smelled kind of like strange, but I don't know what that was. So I've got one floor panel done. That was rough. It just was gross. But these two brushes come in handy. One's a wire brush, one's like a really stiff bristle brush. That and some simple green, and it's coming off all right. It's a process. Alright, ladies and gents, we got one side done. I don't know if you can really tell, but man, I can see like a visual difference of what it looked like before. There was some surface rust area in some places, so I sanded that spot. I gotta spray that. There was some around this drain plug there. I'm not sure if you can see that, it's kind of dark in here. But I gotta spray that as well. But one side's done. Moving on to that side over there. I am super pleased with all that. Still got some little tools in here, but all that is clean, sprayed from the sanding. Got this little spot sprayed. I still gotta do this little hole. Everything else is good though. Got the trunk all nice, sprayed out from some sanding. Need to hit a couple more spots with the paint, but letting that dry first. All right, so yeah, that's that. That's when the next rain came, and I had to pick everything up again. So yeah, that's all for this one. In the next video, we should be doing some seats and some other things, so that should be cool. I will link all of the cleaning stuff that I used in this video down below if I can find links for them. Some call it excessive, I call it thorough, so if you would like to do the same, you can use those things if you'd like. And yeah, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below on what you think so far, and like and subscribe, it does help. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.